Today we're checking out this cool RC drone. This was sent to me for an honest review. So we're just gonna use the remote control today, but I love that we can just use the remote control. Now you do need to calibrate it every time you set it up. All right, it needs 3 AAA batteries, not included. It does come with 4 extra props, a couple extra screws, a screwdriver, and the micro USB charger. Gonna charge your battery. Downloading the software is pretty easy, or using the instruction manual. It walks you through the calibration process, so it's not that bad. We are already on, so let's go ahead and hit our buttons out to get it started. And then you'll see it's an easy takeoff, and it stabilizes pretty well. It's gonna hover right here. It's not a very windy day, which is nice, but we can go front and back. As far as our different options, we can take pictures or video with the HD camera on it. We can utilize our satellites, and we can even hit the home button, and it's gonna go up, figure out where we're at, and then it's gonna come back down and land. So because we told it home, it has to use the satellite to figure out where it started, and then it's gonna come down. Let's see if it lands really close to where it started. There we go. Oh,
So
it looks like it was about
close.
2 feet off. Overall, this drone is a lot of fun. It's pretty user-friendly. Like, beginners can start with it, but then it's got a lot of advanced options with the camera. It does gestures. It's got so many cool advanced features. You can also use it as a beginner. So it really covers the range. It's pretty awesome.